my YouTube channel. It's me again, March. Okay, so today I'll be eating basically with my friends. I'll be eating spicy turkey. Okay, we'll be eating spicy turkey, but then there's going to be a twist because nobody's allowed to drink water. Nobody's allowed to drink water. So the first person to take water, that person loses the game. I hope you guys enjoy it because I'm gonna enjoy it. Okay. Hey guys, you're welcome back. So this is the delicacy. So this is the spicy turkey we're going to be devouring, and yeah, may the best person. May the best person.
That's me. Yeah.
Okay, so we already washed our hands and we're gonna, enter the
Man, ladies first, man.
But you didn't introduce us.
This is my friend. My friend is MJ. Her name is Mary Jane. She makes beads, all kinds of beads, waist bead, hand bead, neck bead, everything we want. About this bead, she will make them. And this is Francis, aka Ezendikono.
Oh my God.
And this is my friend. You've seen her before. Her name is Tess. You can call her Tochi. Anyone.
Your name is Tess.
Oh, yeah, can we? Oh, normal.
Wait. You not pray.
God, we anoint this food by the blood.
No, we're not going to die.
Amen.
Amen.
Cast away.
Cast away.
Jesus.
Guys, it's not like I'm doing a bowl, but I can't use my hands because this shit is peppery.
Oh, Barbara Emmanuel.
Is it hot? I need plate. God, it's not.
I will destroy.
You can bring the tissue. Just serve it.
Guys, will not be bothered. I'm alright.
So why are you doing this out for?
For my lips before you say peel off.
You do. This is fire.
But come to think, this is not really that peppery.
It's not that peppery, right? You should eat a few more.
My mom was going to do it.
Your mama was going to do it.
Guys, this is counted as finished too. See this thing now, this is what's counted as finished. You cannot accomplish this feat. You have been defeated.
Wait. It's still remain.
No man, I go encompass.
Wait, can't finish food.
One, how far now? Are we even up to 1 minute? EJ.
Stop talking.
Why?
What's still going down my head?
Let it enter the wrong pipe now. I'm the person that cook this one.
I'm sure I look like a crown.
That's where I told the juices are inside.
Your mom.
The juices are inside, you understand? You have to have an in-depth knowledge for you to understand.
Oh, stop it. Stop.
You deserve my wealth.
Oh, good.
Sadly, you don't have.
I don't know what I did to you. Olórí oko ṣe ń bọ̀. Hey, Jesus.
many have they eaten? I don't know if I'm complaining. It's not pepper. Maybe it's because I'm using fork. One down.
What is that?
One down. I like your
Are
time.
you shocked? I thought I will.
Wait, pass it. This is the second one. How?
Even the life. Let them use the pepper. Pepper that was banished in Egypt in 1740. I will kill and destroy it.
Wow. That's how they use talk.
Anybody else try come for me?
Eating turkey with fork is so stressful.
So Selena Gomez.
What the fuck? What the fuck is that shit? Drag this in me.
I will, boss. And I'll take the other side.
Just drag it first, this place. Just
I should drag it out.
yeah.
Why?
I come and me drag mine. It is very good.
Let me drag.
Drag this side now. Use your hand. Mamo. Please, mommy.
Drag it out. It is in splash Samaya. I'll use your head.
God, even my hair is eating. Hey.
You.
Guys, pause. We should pause the better. We have to make this video short too.
Yeah, so we should. Mama, lick some pepper. Guys, what this? I'm a dragon. See, I did for anybody. Come and compete with me.
Come and sit down here. You're running with me.
Wait. There's pepper on my Jesus.
Why? What? No. Sit down. We're finishing it. It's a game. Hi guys, back again. Oh, my mouth. Oh, fuck. I thought you said it's not very good. Yeah, I'm just, estimating. I'm trying to look. Just enter my brain. Just enter. Please. Why did you say?
Abasia, yeah. Come on. Gigi.
Let me see your mom. Video.
Pops now. Able over there.
Stop now.
Ha.
Can you stop?
Able over there.
This is talking now. When the thing enter your head now, you calm down.
Do you know who I am? Dracula. In my cooler. Chopping moolah. Blow your medulla. Cause nobody's cooler. I'm like rice inside cooler. I am like Coca-Cola. Fuck. Oh, mess up. I didn't buy that. Suppose me now.
Not when I do.
No.
Anyway, what if I say I have ulcer?
Oh, you too long.
Then you don't eat it for the wrong show.
Come on.
Okay.
Hey.
I don't think I can do this anymore. So guys, my Instagram page where I sell beats is at Aladi Beat Maker. Please follow me, patronize me. I sell everything beaded accessories. So I'm doing that now because I'm tapping out. I got my own. You get it. Jesus Christ.
No.
Cheers guys to the good life without baby. Oh shit.
Don't you want to tap out?
I tap out.
And that's just me and you.
Wait, tap out. Wait. I mean, this is better.
This is the fourth one, guys.
This is why my daddy born me. I love
This is my
you.
fourth one, guys.
Jesus Christ. This should be dragon talk.
I'm a junior. There was one day. I was there, my guy, and I told him that I eat 40 turkey. It's now I've realized I can't.
You don't know.
45 to 50 because I'm bad.
If Bibi was here, just leave it to her. Leave it.
She knows how to eat.
Yeah?
More than me.
She's a chop. She swallows food for a living. This is what I'm looking to do right now. You're looking sexy, right? I'm sorry. Loser.
I don't know.
I want to sneeze.
Not to
I
what?
want to sneeze.
Here you want me. Get right out here, man. Shit. Want to give up? Are you giving up? Are you giving up?
Are you giving up?
Is she giving up? Is she giving up?
I need to breathe.
Rest, man.
The kind of fire that
Fourth one gone, guys.
right now. Jesus Christ.
Let me lick some pepper for you to know that I'm a fortified dragon. I'm tasting a bit of 1982, 1983 pepper. It's not up to my standard as a destroyer. So nobody's going for you, let me go for you. What's going on?
Where is it going? I'm fucking fire. Very soon my skin color will change. I don't want this one. No, you're not done.
Finish it though.
You can do this. I'm not going.
Powerful. In one word. Describe this turkey.
Yeah. What's the price given to the winner? I don't know that it says what's it. Just be a winner. Just winner. Maybe to do. I winning spirit gotta be a point. It's not like I'm a failure, but what am I using the winner to? Please. My mouth.
6 to 1 gone.
My lips. Cost of 150k. It's going on. I swear.
What's that?
There's no winner will take this. You actually win it. You will not win it.
Who?
I can't go for it. Yo, yeah, you talking now. So I did not know you to be a loser. You are a fucking winner. You have to win. What the fuck does that mean?
What's past paper inside my head?
Chris.
Oh my God, man. It's a point you get to
This is more
in
than
this kitchen and in
Master.
this
you see the amount of
chicken
bones.
turkey. You no longer taste nothing.
If you do,
If you have eat, then you've gotten to one point.
you have eat. What's eat?
If you have eaten, eba meal.
My body is doing it so damn hard. My hair is back.
Don't you tap out now?
Why are just sparkling in my brain? I'm tired. Guys.
No flame on.
Guys, stop talking. Do you know that there's a way you laugh? This will just enter.
You entered the wrong host.
You are trying me for that.
This is a dangerous danger guy.
Danger, approaching danger.
Why am I still eating this chicken to the last? People should be drying it while I'm drying my own. God. Omo. Chichi. Chichi, the water is very beautiful.
I can see that.
Grab it.
Gorgeous.
Are you gonna grab it? Are you gonna grab it? Grab the water now. Swallow it, swallow it, swallow it.
When I take a sip, just a little sip, so you'll be fine.
Omo. All those guys that used to take on one full goat. Did you not eat for 6 days?
One.
God.
I know as you're watching us chewing this thing now, to
think it's
eat pepper
easy.
turkey, you'll be hungry, you right?
Think it's
Right?
easy. How loud is that?
Please. I'm sure we'll not use
You
me.
think they're hungry, you? Ha! Chop am.
The blood of
Are you sure
It's
we'll
not
not
easy,
use?
don't try it at home.
Let's just use mini and more and end this game and then.
Are you tired, baby?
Ah, no, true.
It's water. I don't think I can do this anymore. It's
Oh yeah,
not you.
end. So that
It's not you, it's me.
It's not easy. I'm the
as she
one.
dropped it.
I've not drunk water. What's the issue?
Uchi, please now.
This
Take
is
that.
what we need to.
Take
I
now.
don't take care of that.
Winner.
Take now.
But what? I'm not done. See, I'm not done.
I'm not done.
I'm not done.
I'm not done with it. Okay.
You are not serious. God. Omo. Ah. I bet Shemina is 150,000 naira for a free house, Banana Island.
You 150 clap, you know.
How, Mom?
Well done.
I mean, winner regardless. I don't care what anybody gonna say about the
Yeah,
whole thing.
You did well.
You did well, my child.
It wasn't easy. I mean, who could have done this?
No, only God.
I'm not using anything that I did. Come on.
That's why I heard something else.
One.
Why did he swallow it? You
Oh, God. Sorry.
She
I don't think I can go further.
Come on, they gay.
I don't talk my own.
Who won? I'm the one I won. I didn't tap out.
You know,
Everybody gets out.
you just go a dragon.
Who come battle with me? Nobody, man.
I don't.
I'm not afraid.
What is Uncle this thing?
Oh no.
Birthday.
It reached to ask.
You're smart.
Cheers. Let's not do this anymore.
Let's not do this anymore.
Let's do this again.
You know when they say cheers? When they say cheers to next time, to never. Never again.
Yeah.
I swear. So let me be here, baby.
We know you are the winner. Thanks. So, guys, thank you, guys.
Jesus. Jesus.
You are no longer the winner. Oh, the fuck, take water.
I won't.
Yeah.
I won't. Never. Jesus. That's my truth.
Think, guys, you know what? Fuck you.
I don't be like surprised.
Dragons don't
Okay,
drink
so
water.
guys, we've come to the end of today's channel. Please, if you're still here and you've not subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give my video a thumbs up. Tell me what you think in the comment section, and tell me what content you guys like to see. And I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.
Bless out. Peace out. Yeah. My name is Piddy the rap dog.
Pass knock.
Feels like it's been far too long. Oh.